When you're doing a silk flower corsage and boutonniere, you need to find out what the event is, whether it's a high school prom or if it's a homecoming dance, if it's a special event or award that somebody's getting, if it's a mother of the bride, father of the bride, or mother of the groom. So it's important to find out what it is so that you can style your flowers around that. Whether it's formal or informal, and what type of flowers you're going to use on it as well, as silk or fresh. If there's a theme that you need to be following, like cheerleading colors of a high school or graduation, something like that, it's always good to know so that your flowers will look appropriate for it. And basically the first step in it is finding out who it is and what type of flowers in the event is that the bride's going to be, or the person's going to be going to.